Alright, time for my favorite part of running detection. Time to flip all these switches back off. Let's go ahead and hit the save channel map on here. After we got all our radars up, they're working here. You can see them outputting here. And let's whip these cards out so these don't put in any more calls. There you go, running all off of radars now. It's pretty awesome. 2 more to go. So this is verifying radars and that they're working. As you can see, the cars are pulling up and they come up on the screen there. That's how the radars work to pick up traffic. These are pretty neat. About to have this intersection up and running too. It's awesome. All right, here we go. Second intersection here. Let's go ahead and save all the channels. Put it on verification. They're popping up now. Let's drop all of our calls. Now, as you can see, the phases that these are picking up, that's on in there. It's working like it should. It's great. All right, on to the last intersection that we have to do here in Meridian. My guy should be about ready for me to just go up in there and plug in a couple things and get detection working there. So stay tuned.